From the heart of the Pacific, where the ocean speaks and the warriors rise. This is for the people of Samoa. Strong, proud, unbreakable.
Rise up, Samoa! Rise up!
Samoa!
Rise up, Samoa!
From the sun rising over Opolusho, ancestors calling from the days before. Top 2 stories written deep in the skin. Banner in the blood, let the fire begin. From the village come to the island breeze. Coconut trees sway with the melodies. Through the storm we stand, never fall apart. Samoa live inside every heart. We carry the flame generation to generation. Warrior spirit, island vibration. Hands to the sky, feel the elevation.
Samoa forever, one nation. Rise up, Samoa, let the bassline roll.
Feel that island fire down in your soul.
From up here town to the whole wide globe.
We stand together, proud and bold.
Rise up, Samoa, hear the reggae sound.
Strong like the roots that hold this ground.
Wave that flag, let the world know.
Samoa strong wherever we go. Samoa strong wherever we go. Samoa jump with reggae rhythm with the island flow. Heartbeat heavy like the drums below. From the fear night to the Sunday